back to the workshop. I have another double creation round headed your way. I'm going to be making the t-shirt design for the very first time on this series. And my second project is where I'm going to have fun and create a Halloween themed piece, which is also going to be a 3D landscape. So this t-shirt you could get at a store for about $4. And the very first thing I'm going to do is on the back of it, I'm going to make a really cool space design with 3 different planets. So I'm going to be using fabric paint today, which you can also get at a store for usually about $2 or $3. And we're also going to be using quite a bit of glitter. So for my second project today, the very first thing I'm going to do is lay on these images of movie monsters and supernatural images from magazines. And then on top of it, we're going to make a cemetery. Alright, the next step is to start gluing down my textures, which will include my cemetery setup and these monsters, which will have a little scene down below, and I'm also going to use fake moss and rain. Round is partially complete. The next part of my cosmic t-shirt will be done on the next episode. And as far as my second project, it was a fun experiment and I thought was a good illustration of Halloween, which is coming up here in a couple weeks. And that is going to be my finale episode. I cannot guarantee that there will be an extra episode before then, but you never know. We'll see what happens. Till then, we'll see you on the next episode.